Once upon a time, men were known for their physical strength, their robust bodies built through hard labor and battles. But now, the pathetic lifestyle of desk jobs and easy accessibility to everything have led many men down a path of physical and mental weakness. But this time will pass too, and stronger men will have to emerge because it has become necessary and the time have come. The time for you to become stronger, more focused and determined version of yourself, because the weak men of today's world are going to create really hard times for humanity to survive. Hard times create strong men create good times create weak men, and weak men create hard times. This is one of the greatest quotes I have ever heard. This quote explains the cycle of stable times creating weak men and hard times creating stronger ones. When men face challenges such as wars that causes fear of survival, they are forced to get strong. They are forced to become resilient in order to survive and fight for their loved ones. It is during these hard times that strong men emerge, as they endure hardships, overcome challenges, and develop the skills necessary to survive. When you know that you will have to go out and hunt so that you and your family could eat at night, you do it. You do it no matter how hard or dangerous it is. On the other hand, when you know that someone else will deliver food for you and that too in 30 minutes or less, you become lazy enough to even cook for yourself. That applies to every aspect of our life. When we must fight for everything, we fight and keep getting stronger for the next time. After getting stronger, men create good and easy times, and the very comforts and successes brought about by good times sow the seeds of lazy and weakened individuals. When people become accustomed to a life of comfort, they lose the drive and hunger that forged their strength in the first place. They don't feel the necessity to get stronger, so they just don't. They become less inclined to face challenges head-on or to push themselves beyond their comfort zones. This gradual decline in resilience and resolve can lead to the emergence of weak men. When weak men start to dominate a society, they lack the strength to tackle the hardships that inevitably arise. They run away from battles and challenges, seek instant gratification, or fail to take responsibility for their actions. This collective weakness and lack of resilience pave the way for the return of hard times. The cycle continues, as hard times again makes the way for the development of strength. Understanding this cycle can serve as a reminder for men to continuously strive for strength, resilience, and personal growth. It encourages men to recognize the importance of overcoming challenges, to never become too comfortable in times of abundance, and to take responsibility for their actions and the impact they have on the world around them. By embracing this wisdom, men can break the cycle of weak men creating hard times ever.